Alright, I'm Thomas EXOVCDS, and today we're talking about mail. Got some mail today. Let's see what's in here. Oh. Seems to be empty. Oh no, wait a minute. Flat Rate Master sent me a t-shirt. How nice of him. Thank you, Flat Rate. And actually there is something in here. That's my second mail call. Sorry. Should have been more prepared. And I got a piece of mail. Oh, sorry. One more thing. There was a thank you card in here, or at least, yeah, it does say thank you. There you go. And I think that's from Michael's wife, Andrea. Thomas, thank you for the original artwork and inspiration for the shirts. Turned out to be a great gift, even if it's a little weird to be wearing Michael's face on a shirt. Thanks again, Andrea. You're welcome. I had a lot of fun making these. I had a lot of fun making these little stickers. I don't have any handy, but I think you guys know which ones I'm talking about. I used a phone app, and then I used screen captures of the various texts that I wanted to make stickers of. Made the stickers and sent them to all of them. So yeah, I'm glad you like them, and the shirt was an awesome idea. So thank you for the shirt. The second mail call is from a fellow in New Brunswick, if I remember correctly. Anyways, sorry, he sent a note, and it was basically a tool, a factory tool. My green screen, sorry. Let's just take it out of the box. It's a pilot bearing puller. It was ordered off of the, I think it was the Snap-on, or sorry, the dealer website. Doesn't really matter, but anyways, this is the tool here. So it has a flared end here that you basically put, if I unscrew this a bit, you put that into the pilot bearing, and then you tighten this thing down. And what it does is it flares the outside, and then, oh, here you go. It flares the outside, and then you can pull the pilot bearing out. So thank you very much for the tool. He also sent me some stickers. He runs his own import pro shop, or his import shop in New Brunswick. There's the phone number. Very cool guy. Does a lot of European stuff, Volkswagen, Audi. Obviously because it's an import shop. Excuse me. So anyways, thank you very much. It's been a while since I got some mail. Hope you like the short mail call. Thanks for watching.